Guys, in today's video, as you saw in the title, I am going to show you how to make money on Picoworkers without actually completing any task. And guys, I am sure some of you guys are already on Picoworkers right now. You are completing jobs every single day and you are not making a ton of money. I mean, let's be real with ourselves. If you come over to the website, you can see these employers are paying people cents over and over again. And if you get lucky, sometimes you could get paid $0.50, or if you are not in country like this, United States or Canada, you are going to be getting paid at least maybe $1 highest to complete jobs. They are gonna take you some time, 30 minutes to complete. I am gonna be very honest with you guys. That is not sum of money though. Some of other things you could have actually put your time into to make a ton of money over and over again. Guys, if you come over to the little board over here and check out the person who was actually made the most money on this website, this person has made 1,270 cents, and that may seem a lot, but the problem over here is that that person has actually complete 23,000 jobs. Guys, just think about how much time it took this person to complete this job. But do not worry, you are not going to complete any job. As I said in the beginning of this video, I am going to show you a way to actually make money on this website without actually completing any job. So if I come over here, there's a place just to show me how many people visiting this website every single month. And then you can see 1.1 million people actually visit this website every month. And I'm going to take advantage of this 1.1 million people to make money with this method that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Obviously, the people posting this job on this website are obviously making money on the back end, and that is why they are paying people to do different things like sign up, click on the links, or create an account or stuff like that. They are obviously making money on the back end. And I just realized I forgot to say this. If this is your first time on my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do that now so that you won't miss my next video. Like and comment on my videos, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. My WhatsApp number is on the video description. Thank you. So now that I've done that, back to the video. Picoworkers completing tasks on this platform is not a great way to make money online. We are going to be doing on this website, instead of completing this job, you are going to be the one paying other people to complete jobs for you. So for example, I should see the first person that did the first job over here, international. This person is paying people to sign up for this app, and this person has actually employed 2,159 people. And guys, when you look at this number, that means this person is actually making money from this. So we're gonna click the name of the app, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on what this person is actually doing. This person tells the workers to actually download the app, open the app and click. So if you go over to Google right now, we are simply going to type UI. Let's check if this app actually has a referral system, and let me just simply type in something else to see. As you can see, you have payment proof, and as you can see, other people have actually made videos about this. So you have app over here, you have $34 payment proof, you have app live withdrawal. So over here you can see this move. Here you have app refer and earn $42 daily. So that is exactly why this person is paying other people to sign up, and I am sure this person is actually making more money than he or she is actually paying the workers. This person is paying 40 cents to each worker that actually going to sign up for this app. I am sure this is actually making more money, and this person has been on this platform for 3 years. This person has been doing this over and over again. I am sure this person has made a ton of money. Do not think about working on the platform. Think about being the person that is actually going to be giving out jobs to people who are working on the platform. That way, you are going to be making a ton of money over and over again. Let's check out another example. After this, and we will show you guys some ways to actually get up. They are gonna pay you to refer your friends, so you could take advantage of Picoworkers. The second thing you're gonna see here is stock clicks sign up, and if you click on this, I am sure this person is giving out his affiliate link. So you can see, go to this overshow, and guys, this is an affiliate link that you can see at the back. You have ROEF5054. That is an affiliate link, and it is telling people to basically sign up with the affiliate link and complete a ton of stuff, and this person is going to be making a ton of money over and over again by simply doing that. A job just refreshed over here, you can see. So this person is obviously making money by doing that, by selling Gmail accounts Obviously, I need to go over here. Crips sign up. I also need a video about these guys. And this affiliate program is going to pay you 50 cents every single time you get someone to sign up with your affiliate link. And I am sure that is why this person is going over here. And if you calculate that, Sin is going to be making a ton of money. 135 people times 50 cents, and the person is actually paying $0.10 per worker over there. So that person is actually going to be making a profit. As you can see over here again, stock click sign up. This person over here, Amazon Audible sign up. I am sure this is an affiliate link. Also, let's check over here to see if it is an affiliate link. So you can see an affiliate link over here. Guys, you could start doing this. I don't know if I said this before, but there is literally no competition with this, and that is simply because of ton of people who were visiting this website over and over again. Such can be different. See, different people are actually doing the same thing over here. Actually, this person is doing the same thing. 2 jobs of you create 2 Gmail, but different people are actually doing the same jobs. Some people are doing the same website, and these same people are making money over and over again from this same website. You guys start doing this. This is literally no competition with this, as I already said. But let's say you don't want to get apps and websites from this. Maybe you want to find out something new, something a lot of people on this website are not already doing. All you have to do is simply go over to the Google Play Store or the App Store. What we are going to type in is Make Money Apps. I'm going to look at the reviews.